Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's prepare a marination for the iconic dish of Goa, pork Vindaloo. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Joss Moses Kitchen.
In this recipe, we can marinate 1 kg of pork or beef. The first step, we need 20 pieces of Kashmiri chili. If you like more spicy, add regular chilies too. Quarter cup of vinegar. I am using here the coconut vinegar. If you don't have, you can use regular vinegar. And soak it for 15 minutes. On the blender, add the Kashmiri chilies and vinegar. 15 pieces of cloves. 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A medium size ginger. And 10 pieces of garlic cloves. Everything onto a blender and blend it to a very smooth paste. The beautiful Vindaloo marination is ready. It is smooth and vibrant. And how to make pork Vindaloo? The recipe is there in my channel.
So you know already how to marinate a pork Vindaloo. But how to make the pork Vindaloo? The recipe is there in my channel. So don't miss it out. And I will come back tomorrow with a new video. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.